Hey guys, this is Brandon, and it's my bike check update. Um, ODI soft grips in purple, ODI bar ends, Primo Sam Squatch bars and 9-inch eyes with a premium sub 10 stem, but I'm getting an Odyssey Tomahawk. Still have that Shadow headset. I just put a random black demolition cap on. Fit Shiv 2 forks. Bought them off a friend for $60, brand new. Shadow Raptor front hub, Odyssey spokes to Alienation 7-Up, still rocking the same rims that I've had for almost a little over a year. And then Fit Teal Wall tire. Got the Shadow guard and the demolition peg. The frame is a Volume Drifter V1. Got it last September and it holds up like a boss. Got a Colony seat with a premium seat post and integrated seat clamp. Colt member, 28 tooth sprocket. KMC chain with Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. Random bottom bracket. Premium slim PC pedals. Yeah, they kind of suck, but I mean, they come with extra bodies and the pins wear out fast. In the back, got a Shadow Rant hub, V2, Haro spokes off an old wheel, and a Alienation 7-Up hoop, wrapped in a Fit Teal Wall tire. Still have a Shadow guard, lasts forever, and a demolition peg. I laced my own wheels. They came out pretty perfect. I'll do a sound check on my back hub. My bike overall, I think it weighs like 23 pounds. I don't know. I really don't care about weight. I'm just rocking them heavy tubes. Yeah, this frame's really nice. Holds up, big drops. Bars feel amazing. And that's my kitchen. Yeah, that's my bike check. Oh, and then go check out Freed Bikes. They're a Scottsdale, Arizona local company.